Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily fix your iPhone update error. So how you can fix it? First you need to go to the settings, and in settings you need to also check your network if your internet connection is good and your signal doesn't have any errors, so you successfully connected. Here you can see to your Wi-Fi or to your cellular data from mobile internet. And also another thing you need to check is to go to the general and just open iPhone storage, and here you need to check if you have some free space for updating your system, for installing a new system to your iPhone. So just check from your application. Maybe you can delete some unnecessary files, some unused apps, or some apps you won't open, so just delete them and you will have more free space. So another thing you can also try is to restart your iPhone and just to check for 1 or 2 hours and try again to update your iPhone. Also, if you try to update your iPhone from phone, you can also try to connect it to iTunes. So just get your cable and just connect your device to your computer, and just try to update it from iTunes. So also another thing you can also try is to download manually from internet your version for iOS for your special model of iPhone, and just install it manually with iTunes or some alternative program like iTunes. So also, and the last thing you can also try is to go to the general to reset, and just in reset you will find reset network settings. Just click on it and try to reset network settings, and after you reset network settings, just try again to update your system. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.